Hi, this is Cheryl Henderson with Keller Williams Punta Cana, filling in for Maria Abreu. In Punta Cana, you can find so many opportunities for real estate. If you want to invest, many great opportunities for investment to earn income, put your property in Airbnb, which is really, really popular here. Also TripAdvisor and all of the different portals, booking.com. We use all of them here to rent properties, whether folks are coming from the outside or whether they're coming from other parts of the country. It works really, really, really well. If you are looking to come here to move and change your lifestyle, great opportunities on the beach, off the beach, in residential communities, golf communities. If you're looking to do a mix of enjoy it some weeks of the year yourself and rent it out, also great opportunities for that. I mean, really, we have something for everybody. Years ago, when I first moved here, most of the development was right along the beach. So it was really only good for vacationers and vacation rentals because they were smaller properties, smaller condos with not a lot of closet space, like really for the short-term rentals. But in recent years, we have a lot more residential development for people. And actually, many of our clients, I've been here 15 years, so seen the cycle a couple of times of people who, for example, have bought on the beach for investment, anticipating retirement, rented to earn income to pay the bills or pay the mortgage, and then they move here, and after a couple of years they buy a car and decide that they want more space to park their car or to wash their car or a yard, and they buy, they sell that or keep it, their condo near the beach, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and then buy something else that's closer to downtown. That is closer to the shopping or right off the highway, that has a lot more space and more bang for your buck. So there's something for everybody. We have properties that are starting around 60,000 and up. Economic properties that are a little more inland that can be rented or not. Maybe someplace you come and you enjoy. Farther from the beach is not as popular for the short-term rental because you would need a car to get around and do anything. So the best option for investors is closest to the beach, walking distance to everything, like in Cortecito, where we have a lot of opportunities starting at like 90,000, 95,000 and up. Great investment income properties that are walking distance to everything, because short-term renters don't want to have to get a car and drive around Punta Cana. When they can have an option and maybe even pay a little bit more and be right on the beach. So those properties do cost a little bit more, but your return on investment is the same or maybe even more. So don't always only look at the price point. I think it's really important to look at what your goals are, what you are looking to, why you are looking to invest and buy. If it is for a lifestyle change, if you're moving with family, if you're planning retirement, if you want to earn income, you really have to be clear on why you're making the investment, and from there you can find options. We have condos, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condos on the golf course, really spacious, nice, with parking, for as low as maybe $110,000, $120,000, $130,000, just depending on the size and how nice they are and the furniture. With maintenance fees of like $100 or $150, that includes your common area electricity, your 24-hour security, water, and those kind of things, where you only have to then pay the electric usage for your own home. Not any kind of common area electricity or lights in the streets, like your own home, and the cable in your own home, which is really, really reasonable. So investing here, really, there is something for everybody. I mean, if you want to get a bunch of friends together and buy a luxury villa in one of our luxury communities and spend $3 million, $4 million, $5 million to rent something for thousands of dollars a night, or to, family reunions or corporations or weddings. Though, they love those big villas, and it's worth it to them when they're bringing 15 or 20 people. And those are really good income generating properties too. So talking about money, there are various options. For example, if you're looking to buy in pre-construction, you can pay throughout the construction period. Usually you have to put like 20% down, and you can have a payment plan throughout the construction until the end of construction. That could be in 1 year, 2 years, depending on how long the builder is going to take and at what stage that you are entering into the community. Some builders do offer financing, many of them don't. You can just ask and see what could be provided, but some of them do. If you have good credit, you can qualify for a loan with the banks. So if you're earning in US dollars, you can get a US dollar loan here from some of the banks, and they qualify you in a similar way that you qualify, say, up north in the States or in Canada. You give them your tax returns, you give them some bank statements, they run your credit to check your credit report. They're gonna make sure that you are a legitimate person through Interpol, and that you're not like an international wanted person. And so just standard stuff, nothing out of the ordinary, and you can qualify for a loan here. Normally, you're gonna have to put down 30% at least to 50%. And the reason is because they know it's an investment, it's a second home, it's more of a risk. So you're not going to find 100% loans here, you're not going to find 90 or 95% loans here. No, it is too much risk. So they do look at it as an investment or a second home. And if you're going to be absentee, that is the reason that you would need to come with like 30% to 50% to get financing with the banks. So, but sometimes even you can get financing with the seller. Like you can make an agreement with the seller of the property and offer them an interest rate, a fixed interest rate that's interesting to them because it's better than them keeping the money in the bank. And you put a down payment, maybe 20 or 30%, and pay directly to the seller, and then just have them to be the lien holder. So there are many, many, many ways to purchase using financing, and most of the times it's like cash, international wire transfer, that you buy the property. If it is complete, you pay everything. If it is not, in the case of new construction, then you pay throughout the course of the construction. But you can expect to need to have at least 20% or 30% down. Again, my name is Cheryl Henderson with Keller Williams in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. I thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully the information was interesting, and maybe we'll be in touch. Thank you and have a wonderful day.